Hi guys, my name is Shola from Motocare, and today we'll be heading to one of our mechanics shop at Maryland, Mende. We're about to find out what goes on at one of our places, so join me on this journey to Maryland. Good day, sir. I'm from Motocare. We'd like to know what your name is. So, what is your name, sir?
My name is Joshua Babatunde.
Joshua Babatunde. Mr. Lukman Adesoji, sir. So, this is Mr. Adewale Abiodun. Then, how long have you been doing this job?
Well, I started my job January 1995.
1995. So, that's about 25 years.
Yes.
More than 20 years.
So he has about 20 years of experience.
20 years.
So he also has minimum of 20 years experience. So sir, what kind of services do you provide? What do you do?
I'm an electrician. We call it rewire. Auto electrician.
So he does car upholstery, which involves interior decoration of the car, everything that has to do with the car in and outside. Basically, how to make the car look better inside.
Look at the kind of thing. After panebiting, they will spray.
What is happening right now?
This is Mustang's son. Maxima 2000. We are changing the engine.
Okay, sir.
We change the engine and the gear.
Okay.
And we remove the old one. This is the old one here. This is the engine and this is the gear here. This is the suspension. Transmission suspension. So remove the old one, we put the two people.
Okay, sir.
And we have our spray painter. As you can see. This is where we spray our car here.
So this is what your paint job looks like. Then around what time can we come for your services? When do we meet you here?
Well, in this workshop, this is October 17th workshop, because that's the name of our workshop here. At least by 8 o'clock our services started by 8 a.m.
So every day?
Yes, every day.
Including Sundays too?
No.
Okay, so it's just only on Sundays we cannot meet them?
Yeah, so from Monday to Saturday.
So I believe it's the same time, we can always reach you from Mondays to Saturdays also.
Yes.
And we've seen your jobs are very, very awesome, so thank you very much, sir. So how reliable are your services, customer reviews, how have they been?
See, that question is very strong. Customer are all different, are we mechanic all different?
Yes, sir.
But as a mechanic, you need to prove yourself. Let the customer understand what is doing. So, what will you do here that when you put it all together? In the automata field now, it's not about professional now. Because every day now, people try to upgrade.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay, so then, where is this place? Where is your shop located?
This is Maryland. This is number 10. Bamileda Street, Maryland, Lagos.
Okay, sir. So here, teamwork is very, very essential for them here. So this is Mr. Joshua. Thank you very much, sir. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook. The link is in the description box down below. We'll be back next week Friday. Bye!